All right, folks, I'm gonna show you something here. Look at that little stick right there. Grass is a little messed up from putting in the walkway. We'll grow it back, no big deal. But watch what happens. We have a broken irrigation, and it looks like it popped off. I found the pieces. Yeah, see those? We gotta fix that. Hopefully we can dig this out. That's exactly why I sharpen these knives. This grass is like so thick, so thick. So thick. You Mr. Worm. Worms everywhere in this. So you can see we got to get that, and we got to make sure there's no dirt in it. There's a little brown spider that's trying to make his home in there. I don't know why. You gotta come out of there, Mr. Spider. Go. I'm not gonna eat you, but you gotta find a new home. Got to take this off very gently. And got to rinse this out. This. Now we'll take this piece, it goes in there like that, and then screw it in. Now, to let that go. You don't want any dirt to get in there because it'll clog. I don't know if you can see that. So now I have this. I'm not sure why this top just screwed off and popped out, but hopefully this works. I will tighten that up. And let's see what happens. It's probably gonna spray this way, and then I'm gonna have to adjust it to go back that way. But I can't fix this grass until I get this irrigation done. Ugh. let's see. I tell you what, if you get the irrigation, make sure you get the app. All right, get ready. Oh yeah, look at that. And all we need is a little bit of adjusting. So it's blowing that way. So right now it's blowing pretty far to the right. So what we want to do is adjust it by turning this like that. Now it's getting all of this and all of that. All right, that's a lot better. And there you have it. It's real easy. Just to show you guys, look what a turkey did to. And if you notice, there's a head right there. He was digging right by the... That's probably how these things get messed up. I don't know. But a big giant turkey was digging. All right, folks. It's Lon Jenkins.